Hey guys, it's ArchieLuxury on the ArchieLuxury channel. Guys, I'm just going for my walk. This is in the suburb of Jamboree Heights, and I came across something pretty amazing. Now, this is how valuable the land is. So Jamboree Heights is a middle class, probably a bit on the lower middle class side of middle class. And what's happened is the land has become extremely valuable. This here is actually Mount OMMANEY. This is the posh part. This is actually upper middle, and across the road is middle. And I want to show you something absolutely amazing. What they've done is, this was a 1970s house. Well, guess what? They have knocked it down. 1970s brick 3-bedroom house. They have actually bulldozed, and it's pretty damn amazing. It's pretty amazing. This is it was quite a reasonable house. It was nothing, it wasn't anything flash or fantastic, but let's have a look. Now, I've had to sneak in after hours because you're not really allowed to go here, but take a look at this. Take a look at this. It's a bulldozer in the middle of a backyard. An excavator. Look at this. An excavator in the backyard. Absolutely amazing. And you can have a look here. Look at this. This is the pool. Oh, this house always had a nice concrete in-ground pool, and look what's happened. They have completely knocked over the house. I don't know how to describe it all. So this here was the garage. That's the garage, and this here was the entry. This is the entry. It's just absolutely amazing. They've bulldozed it. You can see the bricks. Actually, they had quite good bricks. They were double bricks. They were solid, nice solid bricks. And have a look at this. It's all gone. The place is completely bulldozed. I don't know what to say. I haven't seen anything like this ever. Look at this. Completely bulldozed. A big excavator here. And it's all gone. The house is no longer here. And this just shows you how valuable the land is here. The land is expensive. This land here is extremely valuable. Look at this, completely bulldozed over. It's a nice middle class. This would have been a 1970s, late 1970s house, and it's cheaper to knock it down and build a bigger house than to renovate or add an extension. It's just amazing. I've never seen anything like it. I've seen this, in prime places like London or Tokyo. They do this shit all the time, but in Jamboree Heights, it's pretty amazing stuff, and I never seen anything like it. So there you go. It's just incredible. It's incredible. They would bulldoze the place, and obviously the land is valuable, and they're going to build something more beautiful there. But what an amazing situation. Just an amazing situation there. That's the house there. That just goes to show what's happening in this suburb. So it's I never seen anything like this before in my life. There you go. They've bulldozed the house to build probably a Mac mansion or something. But you know, it is a nice area. It's close to schools, 15 kilometers to the city. It's pretty convenient. So I'm just absolutely dumbfounded. There you go, guys. ArchieLuxury reporting from the streets of Brisbane.
Hi guys, it's ArchieLuxury. Guys, I want to talk to you about David SW. David SW. Guys, if you are in America, if you are looking for a Rolex watch of your dreams, in fact, if you're looking for a contemporary modern wristwatch, I strongly advise you to look at David SW. Guys, don't play the dealer games. Don't bring in chocolates or Krispy Kremes for your dealer hoping to get a Rolex at retail. It's futile. Please, guys, save your dignity. Keep some pride. Go to David SW. I would highly recommend David SW. If you're in America and you're looking for a watch, go to David SW. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and today guys, I'm very proud to introduce a new sponsor of the ArchieLuxury and the Paul Pluta channels. Who am I talking about? WhatchShopping.com. Check them out, guys. Jump online, check out WhatchShopping.com. These guys here have been in business since 2017. Worldwide shipping and distribution. Over 10,000 wristwatches in inventory. Stock in hand, and 90 plus different brands, new and pre-owned. Now, the good thing about WhatchShopping.com, trusted by over 4,000 reviews on Chrono24 and Trustpilot. Your one-stop shop to buy any watch your heart desires. Please, guys, check out WhatchShopping.com. I'm ArchieLuxury, and check out WhatchShopping.com. Hey guys, ArchieLuxury on the YouTube sensation, the Paul Pluta channel. Guys, I need you to help me out, guys. I can't survive on Google Ads alone. I need you to request a paid review. $50 US. Look down in the description. $50 US. I will review your collection. I'll tell you what I think of it, and I'll give you some pointers. The other thing is, guys, you can sponsor me on Patreon. Patreon allows you to pay a couple bucks a month, $1, $2, $5, whatever you want, and it keeps me going on YouTube because, guys, I'm in a niche. Nobody can make money out of the views I get. The views are crap because it's a small specialized area, and I don't talk about garbage for the sake of views. Guys, sponsor me on Patreon. Look down below, and I will see you in the next one.